Hello Olympiad aspirants. Welcome back to the YouTube channel of F2S Olympiads classes. Here I will help you in Olympiad preparation as well as you are going to get the updates and detailed knowledge of various Olympiad exams. We are going to start an Olympiad preparatory series for grade 5 to 7 for mathematics. We start with the preparation of Silver Zone Mathematics Olympiad, where I will teach you to solve the comprehensive book of Silver Zone. In this book, every chapter contains 40 questions, which I have divided in 3-part videos of 14, 14 and 12. You will get 2 videos every week for your respective class. To get the updates of these videos, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Now let's start with the worksheet questions. Grade 7 Silver Zone Comprehensive Book, Chapter 3. Video part 2. Question number 15. Subtract the following from this. So from this, first we will write this one. 3x square minus 5y square. Then just write the like terms below the like terms. 3x square plus 13y square. Since we know that it is a subtraction, so sign will change. Okay. So it will be your, there is plus, so it will be minus, there is plus, it will be minus. Now 3x square, 3x square cancel out. Now minus 5 and minus 13. That is your minus 18y square. It is available in the option number B. So 15th answer is option B. Okay. Question number 16. What should be added to 3x square minus 3 minus 5xyz plus 3x square z to obtain this? Okay? Actually, this is the sum and this is the one of the addend. One of the addend. So what we will do? To find the other addend, what we do? Subtract the first addend from the sum. So first write the sum. Sum is your 13x square minus 2 plus 8xyz plus 12xz square minus 3x square z. Okay. Now write the like terms below the like terms. So 3x square will be written here. Minus 3, okay. 5xyz, so minus 5xyz. Now plus 3x square z. So it should be written here plus 3x square z. Here is nothing, so we can write 0. Now since it is a subtraction, so just write minus plus plus minus minus. Okay. Now 13x square minus 3x square. It should be 10x square. Plus 3 minus 2. It should be plus 1. Now 8 plus 5. 13xyz. Now plus 12xz square. And here it is minus minus will be added and it will be 6x square z. Okay. So where it is available? Question number 16. It is 10x square. Okay, 10x square plus 12x z square minus 6x square z plus 13xyz plus 1. It is available in the option D. So 16th answer is option D. Question number 17. What should be subtracted from this to obtain this? What should be subtracted from this? So this is your minuend and this is your difference. We have to find the subtrahend. So to find the subtrahend, we just subtract the difference from the minuend. This is your minuend. This is your difference. We have to find subtrahend. So write minuend 3m square minus 4m cube plus m minus 9. Now 4m square. So 4m square minus, I will write here 2m. Actually this cube we will write here plus 3m cube. Like term should be written below it minus 12. Now it is the subtraction, change the sign, minus, this will be minus, this will be plus, this will be plus. 3m square minus 4m square, it should be minus m square. This should be added, both are negative numbers. 4 plus 3, 7m cube. This will be added, m plus 2m, 3m. Now plus 12 minus 9, so it will be plus 3. Where it is minus m, 7m cube, 3m plus 3 it is. So it should be in the option number plus 3 and plus 3. Yes, it is in the label on the option C. Okay, so 17th answer is C. Okay, come to the question number 18. How much does this exceeds this? ये इससे कितना बड़ा है? तो first we will write 3p square minus 17p cube plus 8p qr. In the algebraic addition and subtraction, you need to understand the language of the words written here. If you change the one of the if you change the minuend and subtrahend, then you can get the different answer. Okay, so you should know which one will be the minuend, which one will be the subtrahend. And what is minuend? Minuend is a minus b equal to c. So in a subtraction, this is your minuend, this is your subtrahend, and this is your difference. Okay, so that's why it is important to write, to decide which one will be the minuend, which one will be the subtrahend, to get the correct answer. Okay, now it is 3p cube. So 3p cube is not available. So just write here 3p cube. Now plus 4p square. It will be written below 3p square, 4p square. Minus p cube. So minus p cube. These two are like terms. Now 3p qr. Plus 3p qr. Subtraction. All signs will change. This plus minus, this plus minus, this minus plus, this plus minus. Okay, so minus 3p cube, 3p square minus 4p square, so plus minus p square, minus 17p cube plus p cube, so minus 16p cube, and 8pqr minus 3pqr plus 5pqr. 18th answer will be minus 3pq minus p square plus 5pqr minus 16pq. It is in the option number B. 18th answer is option B. 19. How much 2m cube minus 13m square plus m minus 7 greater than this? So this is greater than, and by how much? So this will be your minuend, this will be your subtrahend. ठीक है, तो 2m cube minus 13m square plus 5m minus 7. It should be subtracted from this. So 6m cube plus 11m square minus 8m plus 7. Sign will change. Subtraction is there. Okay. Now 2m cube minus 6m cube. It should be minus 4m cube. 13m square minus 11m square. It should be 24m square. Both are negative. Both are positive. So plus 13m. Both are negative. So minus 14. So where is the answer? Minus 4m cube minus 24m square plus 13m minus 14. It is in the option B. So 19th answer is option B. Question number 20. How much 5x5y4zq minus this plus this less than this? So this is the subtrahend now. And this is the minuend. Okay, because it is asking this less than this. So first we will write this one, 8z cube x square y4 minus 12yx square z cube minus 3z cube y4 x5. Okay. Second is your, here it is 5x5 y4 z cube. It is similar to the last one. So we will write 5. The coefficients or the factors can be written, can be exchange its position. Okay. So I am just writing as it is written here. I will write 5z cube y4 x5. Second one is minus 3 x square y4 z cube. X square y4, no, x square y4 z cube. It is here. It will be written as minus 3. I'm writing as per written here. So z cube x square y4. Third one is plus 2x square y z cube. Oh, x square y and z cube. Yes. So I will write here plus 2 y x square z cube. Okay, it should be plus here. Now I have just written the like terms below the like term only. There is subtraction, change the sign. Okay. Now 8 plus 3, it should be 11. 11 z cube x square y4 minus, both are minus, to 14 y x square z cube, both are negative, to 8 z cube y4 x5. So it is available in 11 x square y4 z cube minus 14 x square y cube y, ठीक है, minus 8 z cube y4 8 y4 x5. It is option D. 28th answer is option D. Come to the 21. Simplify minus this. Okay. So I'm just simplifying. So first I will solve the innermost bracket. So I am copying others. Minus p plus 2p plus cube minus 2p, and here it will be minus p plus 3 cube. Middle, now we are left with the curly bracket and the big bracket only. Okay. Now you can see here it is 2p minus 2p. Cancel out. Now q and 3 cube. It will be 4 cube minus p plus 4 cube. Okay. So I am just writing it. Minus p minus big bracket p plus and minus. Minus p plus 4 cube. Middle bracket just eliminated. Now minus 3 cube. Okay. Now you can see p plus p minus p. Cancel out to plus 4q and minus 3q. So it will be minus p and plus 4q minus 3q. It will be your plus q only. So plus q and minus q. It should be minus q. Answer should be minus p minus q. It is in the option number D. Okay. 21 answer is option D. 22. Solve 2p plus 3p cube plus 7p square cube minus this. We have to solve. So first we will solve the innermost bracket. Okay? Innermost bracket. So this is innermost. We can take this and we can take the smaller brackets. So just write 2p plus 3p cube plus 7p square cube minus 3 will be inside. Now just write 2p cube plus 3p. Okay. I am removing the smallest bracket only. So minus curly bracket will be here 6, and removing the smallest bracket, inner sign will change because minus is in the outer outer side. It will be your 6 minus p plus 3p cube. Okay, again I am removing the smallest bracket, so it won't change its sign because in the outside there are plus. It will be your plus 2p square cube minus 3p plus 5 curly bracket and then big bracket. Okay, now 2p plus 3p cube plus 7p square cube minus 3 will be here. I am removing the curly bracket this time. So before removing the curly bracket, I am simplifying it. So here it is minus p, here it is minus 3p. So it will be your, I am writing here 6. This is the solution I am writing here. Solution of the curly bracket. Okay? So 3 minus p minus 3p. It should be minus 4p. Now plus 3p cube plus 2p square cube plus 5. Now the term inside the curly bracket will be this. Okay. Now 3 comma 2p cube plus 3p. Now negative sign is in the outside. So all the signs will change from this. So it will be your minus 6 plus 4p minus 3p cube minus 2p square cube minus 5. Okay, now big bracket only. Now we can just see 2pq are here and 3pq's are here, but in the opposite sign. So inner sign will be your only. I am just solving the big bracket and writing it here minus pq. Okay. Now 3p and 4p, 3p and 4p both with the positive sign. It will be plus 7p. Okay. Now minus 6 and minus 5. It will be minus 11 and then minus 2p square cube. This is the solution of the big bracket. Okay. Now I am just writing it 2p plus 3p cube plus 7p square cube. Now minus 3. 3 will go inside the bracket. It will multiply. It will be your 3 minus 3 and minus p cube plus 3p cube minus 21p plus 33 plus 6p square cube. Okay. Now simplify it. So we can see 2p and 21p. We can write it as minus 19p. Take a 3p cube plus 3p cube. Is there any more p cube? No. So it will be your plus 6p cube. Now 7p square cube and 6p square cube, both with the positive sign. So it will be 13p square cube. Okay, and then plus 33. So 22 answer is 19p cube. It is available in the option number C. So 22nd answer is option C. Okay. 23rd. After simplification, find the value of following algebraic expression at m equal to minus 3, n equal to 2 and r equal to minus 1. Expression is given here. First simplify it. M square, so first I'm just breaking it from here to here, so we can write it 3n square plus 3n square minus 3 3s are 9 m and r plus 3r square. Okay. Now minus sign is outside, so I am not removing the big bracket. Now simplifying this one only. It will be your 10m square plus 5n square minus 10mn. Now removing the curly bracket. No, I'm not removing curly bracket from here. Just write minus sign and keep this curly bracket and write minus r cube plus solving this one. So plus 3m minus 6 plus 8mn square. Curly bracket and big bracket close. Okay. Now removing the curly bracket first. It will be your 3m square plus 3n square minus 9mn r plus 3r square minus 10m square minus 5n square minus minus plus 10mn minus I am removing the big bracket here, removing the big bracket only, and then minus minus plus keeping the curly bracket minus r cube plus 3m minus 6 plus 8mn square. Okay. Now we can see plus is outside the curly bracket. So it is not necessary to change the inside signs. It will be your 3m square plus 3n square minus 9m and r plus 3r square minus 10m square minus 5n square plus 10mn minus r cube plus 3m minus 6 plus 8mn square. Now find the like terms. 3m square minus 10m square. No. So it will be your minus 7m square. Okay. Now 3n square and minus 5n square. So it will be your minus 2n square. Now 3r square. 3r square. Is there any r square? No. So plus 3r square. ठीक है. Now m and r minus 9m and r. Is there any more minus 9m and r? No. So it will be minus 9m and r. ठीक है. Now plus 10mn and there is any more mn? No. So plus 10mn. R cube to minus r cube plus 3m minus 6 and plus 8m n square. Now the values are given for m, n and r. So just put it here. So it will be minus 7 multiplied by minus 3 square. ठीक है. माइनस 2 इंटू एन की वैल्यू दी हुई है 2 स्क्वायर प्लस 3 इंटू आर इक्वल टू माइनस 1 स्क्वायर माइनस 9 इंटू माइनस 3 इंटू माइनस 2 इंटू माइनस 1 प्लस 10 इंटू m मल्टीप्लाई बाय n. तो माइनस 3 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2 माइनस आर क्यूब तो माइनस 1 का क्यूब प्लस 3 इंटू एम माइनस 3 माइनस 6 प्लस 8 इंटू एम इज माइनस 3 एन स्क्वायर इज 2 का स्क्वायर. ठीक है. जस्ट सिंप्लीफाइड. आफ्टर सिंप्लीफिकेशन यू विल गेट minus 184. Minus 184. It is not available in any option. 23rd answer is option E. 23 E. Number 24. Which one among the following statement is not correct? Equation 3x plus 2 equal to 8 is true for only one value of x, it is true. Equation 3y is 0 is true for any value of y, yes. Equal to 0, it will be correct for any value of y. Option B is not correct. Okay. Now, for x equal to -3, the equation can be formed as 3x plus 2 equal to 7. It means x should be 3. So we can check 3 into -3 plus 2 equal to 3 3s are 9, -9 plus 2 equal to -7. But it is telling 7. So it is also not correct. For y equal to -1, the equation can be formed as to -2 plus 2 equal to 0. Yes, it is correct. So there is the chance of correction of 2's answer. The 24th answer will be B or C according to the given question. Okay. Come to the question number 25. 19 added to thrice a number. It's same as 8 more than 4 times the number. 19 added to thrice a number. Suppose that number is x. So thrice a number is 3x plus 19. It is equal to 8 more than 4 times the number. It means 4x plus 8. This two should be equal. So what is the number? Number will be your 4x minus 3x equal to 19 minus 8, x equal to 11. 25th answer is option C. 25 C. Question number 26. If A equal to B, then which one among the following is cannot be true? A equal to B. So A, here we can write B, yes, equal to B plus C. Okay. Here we just write B, so 2B plus C minus D, 2B plus C minus D, correct. Here A equal to B, so 2B plus B, 3B, and here it will be 2B plus B, 3B. It is also correct. So 26th answer is A can be written as B. So B, 3B plus 3C it is. And here it will be written as B. So it will be 3C plus B. It is not equal. LHS is not equal to the RHS. Option D cannot be possible. 26th answer is B. Come to the question number 27. K plus 13 equal to 2K minus 13. To find the value of this. So first we will write K plus 13 equal to 2K minus 13. So this implies 2K minus K equal to 13 plus 13. This implies K equal to 26. We have to find this value. Okay? So 7K minus 130. We can write 7 multiplied by 26 minus 130 upon 5K. 5 multiplied by 26 plus 125. After simplification, 7 multiplied by 26 minus 130, we will get 52 upon, after simplification, 5 multiplied by 26 plus 125, so we will get 225. 52 upon, it's 255. So 55. It is available in the option number A. 27th answer is option A. Question number 28. Which one of the following statement is incorrect? Okay. So shifting one term from one side of an equation to another side with a change of sign is called transposition. Yes. It is correct. An equation in which the highest index of the variable present is 1 is called linear equation. Yes, it is correct. If x is greater than 0, then minus x will be less than 0. Yes. If x is greater than y, then minus x will be less than y. Yes. So all of them are correct. Option should be E. 28th answer is option E. Hope you understood all the answers explained here. If so, please write yes in the comment section. I have provided the link of PDF note of this worksheet in the description box. You can download it from there. And if you want to practice more such questions, you can download our app from the Play Store and can buy the test series of your respective class. Thanks for watching.